making the change from that sort of coal and gas-fired fossil fuel heat and power to electricity means that we could actually halve energy use by 2050. So we'll be using massively more electricity, but overall, because electricity is so efficient in transforming the fuel to usable power, we'll be using a lot less of it. Moving away from fossil fuels to electricity reduces final energy demand by 40%. And that means, because we'll be using less of it, we'll be using fewer units, and therefore our bills will be lower, and therefore our quality of life will be very good, but we'll be paying less for it. What could be not to like about that? So we will end up with what the Centre for Research into Energy Demand Solutions phrase is: we would have a low energy, high welfare society. Wind and solar are likely to dominate future energy supply, and they are already the cheapest forms of energy. Very important to remember that. But particularly important for Burford, as we've heard, making that transition to electric heat and power means that we'll be using massively more electricity. And so there's a question about how we get that power from where it's generated to where we live and work. That's the creaking system that he was talking about. We haven't got a lot of time to do it, so demand reduction is going to be good for us, but also really good for the transition of the electricity network.